Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining in. Sorry that I'm in a rather noisy restaurant kind of setting. Yes, I just do a sound check whether the sound is loud and clear. Uh, and I don't see any text here. Um, you all hear me loud and clear? Someone say hello to me so that I know you're on. Okay. Mm, I don't see any text. Oh yes. Okay. Andy, loud and clear. Okay. Ayo, yes, like yes. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Today I'm not as rushed as yesterday. Yesterday was crazy, man. Yeah. Hello, family. Zihao, good to see you. John, good to see you. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. My slides are already in the description. Okay. Chiwi, good to see you. Yes. Alexa, good to see you. The weather here is cold. Winter. I think it's about 0 degrees or something like that. Okay. Oh, you just finished my yesterday video. Okay. In MRT. Oh, Amy. Thank you. Okay. Kimi, good to see you. Wen Liang. Hello, Han Ping. Uh, Si Hui. Yes, good to see you. No slides. I didn't put in, man. Um, give it to her. Yeah. I didn't put in the slides. Oh, shucks. Did I forget to put in the slides? Um, how do I put in the slides? Okay, you know what? I'm going to put in the slides in 1M65 group. Wow, I don't know how to do that. Give me a minute now. Let me see how I can do that. Uh, okay, I got the slides here. Okay. Do you all get the slides? Can you please tell me so that I know? Okay. Can share link on live chat also. You know what's the problem? I gotta wait, let me try, okay? YouTube. Okay. Still no. Okay. Give me a minute, huh? Let me see how do I do that. Can I pin the message? I'm not sure how to do that. I gotta apologize that I missed out the slides. Let me see where I can do it. Now, how do I do that? Hmm. Okay, let me see whether I can do it. So I get for everybody come in. Remember to give this. I will put. I'll post up the. I'll post up. I'll try to post up the slides. No. Yeah. Okay. Did see link in Telegram. Okay, I'm trying to see whether I can do this. Give me a minute. Okay. But I can't. I'm now in Milan. Just give me a minute. I'm trying to post up the slides. Okay. Okay. The internet here ain't that good, so I'm trying to get the live chat up. Okay. Yes. Okay, I got it. Okay, I posted it up. Can someone put it on my 1865 group? Do you all get it? Can someone put it on my 1865 group? Yes. The flight was good. Yes. Sure. Yeah. Email me the place. Email me the place via email. I'll be going to see luchengchuan@gmail.com. Okay, cool. What do you think today is the good news? Okay. Oh, the quality ain't that good, the video. Uh, is the video quality bad? It looks fantastic here, but it looks terrible here on my YouTube. Um, I I had tons of internet problem every time I'm in this location. Okay, can someone please tell me, respond to me? Am I getting less video quality? Okay, okay, fine. Then let's start now. Okay, okay. So my text. Someone help me post my link. This the link is there. Okay, the link is there for my slides. For some strange reason, I thought I posted it up, but it didn't go up. Hmm. Okay. All right. Anyway, later I'll post up after the talk is over. Okay. So then today you have to pay more attention to my what I'm holding. All right. Cool. So let me start the talk. Okay. All right. Good. So today the talk is about more good news. Okay. More good news. The inflation now falls not just in US but also now in UK and in most part of Europe. Okay, incidentally, after US come out with the inflation results, a lot of the Europe country also come out with their results. So we are looking at more good news. Okay, now some of you might say, "Hey, Mr. Lu, the inflation come down. How come the stock market initially rise so much, then later fall?" I think we got to there is this thing called when this is a very anticipated it's a very anticipated good news. Most people, if Mr. Lu can guess it, most people will have guessed it that the inflation will fall. So a lot of profit taking, a lot of people cashing out to take money and things like that. It's okay. But if you are out there trying to buy sell, then this kind of thing matters. But if you're like me, buy already and hold it for a long time, then it doesn't really matter. Okay? Yes. So cool, right? Okay. So let me state the disclaimer again. This is not a stock market advice. This is not a stock market advice. This is a for education and entertainment. Okay, so that you gotta decide what you want to do yourself. I do it. I never tell you to do it. So if you were to do it, then if you were to do it, it's really for yourself. Okay, right. So the most important news today, as I just came out, is UK inflation eased to 10.7% from a high. Okay, it went as high as 11.1%, and if you could look at the graph here, this was UK inflation rate. It went up. This is the first time it's coming down. Okay, this is the first time it's coming down, and US already came down for many months already, and it's still coming down. So the last time what happened was that while US is coming down, UK continue to go up, France continue to go up, Germany continue to go up, every European country continue to go up. Okay, more like this. Okay, now, and this is a very important moment because what we want is a confirmation of a falling inflation rate. What we don't want is, oh, only US happened. But if US happened, UK happened, France happened, Germany happened, Netherlands happened, if every country is happening, then we have a confirmation of something that is happening that is more concrete. As long as the inflation comes down, this entire stock market crisis, inflation crisis, interest rate crisis, recession, all this will go away. The only thing that probably may not go away for a long time is the Ukraine war. That's unusual. But even China is opening up right now. So we do see a lot of good things that are happening. Okay, so let me read to you this report. Okay, and for those people who wants a slide, I've requested for I posted it up on my comments there. You could click the link. In case you cannot click the link, you can go to my Telegram chat. A few kind so please post it on my Telegram chat as well. Okay. So the inflation rate has came down from 11.1 in October to now 10.7. Okay. Generally, the fall was across the board, from transport, okay, especially motor motor fuel vehicles, second-hand cars, clothing, footwear, recreation, communication, everything goes down. Restaurant prices continue to rise, okay? Especially alcohol, 酒鬼 cause all the inflation to go up, okay? Food inflation went up a little bit in UK, okay? House rental also went up a little bit, but generally all fell, okay? All fell, and that's a good thing. To add to the good news, okay, you know, that not just UK has a fall in inflation, but a lot of European countries has fall. But the strange thing is that the market did not, the stock market did not shoot to the roof in Europe, right? In fact, Europe when it opened today, the stock market actually came down. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that do not be surprised, okay, when the market reacts contrary to what you hope. Okay, hope is a luxury where we don't have. Okay, in this case, in fact, you got to remove emotions from investments. I already told you many times, like, who are the best investors? People with no emotions. Okay, yes. So German inflation, okay, German inflation has been announced that it came lower. Okay, so Germany just announced the inflation, it came lower, and just to show you the graphs, okay, so this was the German inflation, go up, then came down. Okay, came down. It's a small down, but it came down. So it was 10.4% in October. Now it's 10%. So it's pretty confirmed that the inflation rate is going down, and that's pretty sound and good. Okay, the eurozone inflation slows down for the first time since 2021. Eurozone inflation slows down for the first time since 2021. Okay, as a result, the euro is strengthening, the pound is strengthening, uh, but you know, not everybody is optimistic. I think, but it is signs of good news. Okay, signs of good news. Okay, yes. So, in case you're thinking about it, even in Holland, the inflation came down to 9.9% in November. It was in October. Do you know how much was Holland inflation rate? 14.3%. From 14.3%, it dropped to 9.1%. Isn't it serious? I think it's a very big fall. Okay, super big fall. Huh? So it's like 30% down. Very big fall, right? Spain, went down from 7.3% to 6.8%. Okay, all this in November, right? So basically, it's a global trend right now. Inflation is coming down. The worst is over. We're not going to see the same thing that happened in 1970s, which lasted for 10 years. Okay, this time around, we've got the right tool and the right policy that is made globally, of course, led by Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chairman, and he whack the interest rate really high and bring everything down. All right, cool. So as a result, we're gonna see inflation coming down, and if inflation comes down, interest rate will stop rising so fast, and will perhaps even come down in time to come. Yes. So tonight, the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve Open Market Committee is actually doing a meeting, and after that they will announce the interest rate rise. I think across the world, everybody is anticipating 0.5%. If they suddenly do 0.25%, the whole stock market will shoot to the roof. But I don't think they will do that. Okay. Neither will they do a 0.75% anymore. I don't think they'll do that. Okay. I don't think they'll do that. So it's a very anticipated outcome. Okay. So, but I would like to caution everybody, really caution everybody, the market may not react instantaneously to falling inflation. Okay, so stay chill. Okay, stay chill. Okay, stay chill. 爱仔. Okay, 爱仔. Okay, so barring black swan events. Okay, barring black swan events, falling inflation will surely, okay, ease the interest rate pressure upwards. Surely, surely, okay. And once the interest rate pressure get reduced, then the stock market will recover. We are now at roughly about 4,000 S&P 500. S&P 500 at 4,000 points. It fell from a high of 4,800 points. So from now, really? Oh, okay. Fed funds futures. I don't know what's the futures market signaling right now. Okay, so so we came down from a high of 4,800 points to 4,000. Okay, it surely will recover at least back to 4,800. Surely, I cannot tell you when. I'm privately kind of hopeful that you hit 4,400 to 4,500 points by end of the year. Maybe it will not happen, but uh, yeah, it was 4,100 points and then it fell off. I think it's a lot of profit taking, but it's okay. Okay, so and that's fine. Okay, it doesn't matter. We are in for a long haul. Remember, I don't satisfy myself at 4,500 points, 4,500 points. I want to hold it until it hit 8,000, 12,000 kind of a S&P 500. Then I get again. Okay, so taking a step back, I'm telling everybody that the signs have never been better. The signs have never been better. Okay, the whole inflation crisis, we are now seeing very strong signs that it's all coming down. If you want to wait until the whole stock market, until the whole inflation is over, then you buy, I'm not so sure whether there's a chance for you, okay? Yes. So, but I already bought it during the crash. I'm going to hold there. But I won't take the gutsy move, okay? I won't take the gutsy move of chasing stock market up. Although Benjamin did it yesterday night, okay, that's okay. Benjamin, my son, yeah, he just passed out from OCS, so he said he got more time right now. So he said it's okay. From 4,000 points for where he is now, he said there's still some more gap. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. Okay. So less than half of you are given a like. Okay. Let's take some questions right now, shall we? Yeah. Let's take some questions right now. Anybody have any comments? I happy to address. Yeah, Joyce, right? Don't FOMO. Yes. Okay. Yeah, don't FOMO. But I came to realize that not everybody is the same. Okay. Here is Mr. Lu, who is, I'm not the most gutsy I've seen. A lot more gutsier investor. I'm pretty gutsy to buy during crashes, but a lot of people want sign confirmation of going up before they buy, and I'm giving you these signals right now. May you ask China Open when the inflation come out? Now, China Open got different type of open. The first kind of open is domestically open. Okay, that part I think is okay. In fact, it helps because production goes on. A lot of factories can reopen, production can pick up whatsoever. Do you know? Do you know that you can't find iPhones right now easily? If you go to any of the retailers for iPhone, you can't get iPhone easily. And you know why? Because China factory are being closed down. Yeah. So the only way you can get iPhones right now is to buy from overseas. Okay. In fact, I've been trying to give my son an iPhone for like a reward for passing out. Cannot get in Singapore. Cannot. Yeah. So not fortunately, Kate Lu is in Korea right now. She managed to buy the iPhone in Korea. Buy the iPhone in Korea. Yeah. So So there's some phones there now and things like that. Any so anyway, so back to China. So China domestically opening up is good for inflation because it's the factory of the world. China opening up for travel, that's a different story altogether. If they open up for international travel, I think the whole world will be will be up for root shock. Okay, so I keep tolong please don't, please don't, please don't. iPhone Pro Max is out. Yeah. Okay. Normal iPhone is stock. No. 512K have no stock. 2552K has purple. I think in the shop I went to. Maybe it's just the shop. Okay. Yes. Um, Mayin asked another question. T-bills competitive rate is 4.6% reasonable. I I think tomorrow tonight the FOMC is going to announce at around 2 a.m. Singapore time or something like that the new interest rate. Then you can take a cue from there. I'll be happy with 4.4 lah. I'll be frank with you. Yeah, you know, the 0.2 doesn't make a big difference for half a year. Saudi and China negotiated to price oil and gas settled renminbi. Will your US denominated investment be at risk in long run? It's very difficult to replace USD. Very super difficult. US is the largest. Is the largest. US is the largest market of the world. Everybody want to deal with US. How they have the strongest bargaining power. All this little minor trade on the side, no big deal. Huh? Will there be earnings recession? Okay, so earnings recession, Zihao is asking, basically means that all the companies are coming down. The answer is probably yes. Okay, all the earnings will come down, but that is a anticipated shock. People expect it. I expected it because, in fact, the Federal Reserve engineered it. So, in some sense, an anticipated shock is not as scary as an unanticipated one. Okay, so I felt that I've invested enough, and this is a skill I want to impart in everybody. So let's say you have $10, okay, and you decided that you're going to spend $5 on stock market. What if the market crash further? Do you take out the other 5 to invest? I want to hear some comments. I say again, let's say I only got $10, okay, and I've already invested $5. But if the market continue to crash, do you invest that $5? Do you? Okay, right? So I cannot tell. Yes, Chris say no. Sell, no. Okay, yes, no. Okay, so no right or wrong in this. I would prefer to avoid that. Okay, so in some sense, this part $5 is the money I don't need. This part $5 is the money I need. I will never, in some sense, chase for money I don't need with money that I need. You understand? Very important to know that. Please don't make the mistake. For Frank, good to see you. Please don't make the mistake for chase wealth that you don't need by risking what you need. Very, very important. Always note this, okay? Because you cannot be, there's never 100% in the world. There's never 100% in the world. Hi, JC, good to see you. So you never chase for money that you don't need by risking money that you need. And that applies, by the way, to relationship as well, to certain many bets as well. Many people chase for wealth and risk family life and things like that. This kind of thing really don't need. Okay? Okay? This is my philosophy. And I think this kind of philosophy I want to impart with you all more than how to pick stocks and how to buy and sell. Okay? It's very, very important advice. Okay? Um, Let me tell you something I do, okay, that is very extreme that most men don't do, but I felt that it's good. I don't go out for coffees and tea with women. One to one, I don't. Group, I do, but rarely, very rarely. One to one, very, very, unless forced by business in a very extreme situation. I've over the last 20 years, very, very rarely do I go out one to one with women for coffee or tea or for meals, right? It's a personal discipline I have. Now, of course, doesn't mean that you go out for coffee and tea, it means that you're gonna stray or something like that. No, but it is a line you draw very, very far away. Okay, and a personal discipline, but that's just me. Okay, a personal discipline. Yeah. Okay. I don't think my wife will have any issue with me going out, but it's a personal discipline. Uh, never, never have any issues. Yeah. Okay. Right. Because I've drawn certain lines that certain things are very, very important to me. Yeah. Okay. So, which country do you think will win the World Cup? I'll be frank with you. I don't even know who is in the finals. Yeah. I don't. Yeah. Actually, who believe in my principle? You all can click a like. Okay. Yeah. Uh, okay. Try to look for questions. Uh, okay. Yep. Yep. So, um, any other comment? So, I think this is a time of Christmas. We all want to celebrate. It's important for us to focus on the right thing in life. So, right now, my take is this: what you should have invested should have been invested already. What you haven't invest will be close to too late to invest in some sense. Okay, unless you have a very long runway. So this is a time where you step back and just enjoy life. Go on with stuff. You know, if you got business, you got your work, you got family, whatever, go all of them. Yes. Since stock market goes up in the long term, can we allocate small portion to leverage ETF? That's a good question. Fok Tian, my slides today, I have to put them up after after my talk because I don't know why it didn't go up. But you can go to my 1965 group, or if you scroll up in the chat, the link is there. I've already pinned it up. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to answer the question. Oh yes, leverage ETF. Leverage ETF is very dangerous. Assuming the market is flat, if you invest in leverage ETF, the ETF goes down. Leverage ETF have this characteristic called decay. Okay, there is a natural decay. It's a mathematical. It's very difficult to explain. So it's very very dangerous. So so in some sense, if you cannot buy and hold, but you have to buy and trade. So and it goes up and down. So leverage instrument is not for the ordinary investor. Okay. Do you think Singapore fixed deposit will go up in 2023? Oh yes, for sure. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yes, decay like options. You didn't say that. Yeah. Uh, no, no. Amy, the T bills is not really many steps. You know, it's actually quite easy to invest. In fact, it's easier than FD. FD, some of the FD you gotta go and queue up. The T bills is actually quite easy to invest. I have a video on it that I posted up a few sessions ago. I didn't realize that it's actually that easy. So after tonight's FOMC, then I take a cue from there. Then I will activate my yeah. Last time I missed it. The first time I applied for it, I applied for 4.2%. It came out 3.8, 3.9 basket. Then after that, then I was so busy. I was on a flight and things like that. By the time I land, I forgot. Then I missed the 7th of December one, and then that one I wasted. So this time around, I'm not gonna miss it anymore. Based on experience, how often does this financial crisis happen? This is not a financial crisis. Okay, this is a economic crisis. Yeah, it's an inflation rate. This is not a financial crisis. Financial crisis. Financial crisis. So far, only 1997 and 2008. Didn't see it again, and there's no regular term of financial crisis happening. Okay, I mean the rate that you bid. Yeah, I'm 4.2, 4.4, whatever. I don't think I push to 4.6. Okay. Do you see PF interest rate will be adjusted since interest rate zero? I think so for the special account. I don't think our account will move. Okay, yeah, maybe you're lucky. I, I complete idiot. I've forgotten about it. This is a complete idiot. Yeah, myself. Yeah, I was so busy. Too many things to handle. Yeah, too many things to handle. The last month, in fact, this trip that I flew back to Singapore, I was like running around like a wow. Yeah. So tonight World Cup semi-final. Who is in the semi-final? I know France. Is it Morocco? And I don't know two others. Something like that. Yeah, I don't know who others. Uh, so I might watch. Since now I'm the right. Am I in the right time zone? Yeah. If I'm in the right time zone, I can watch it. What's your prediction today? 0.5%. Argentina. Ah, okay. Croatia. Wow. All these are black horses, right? Wow. Argentina, good chance. France and Argentina. Yeah. I was in France, in Paris, when France won the World Cup. The the whole Paris went mad. Mad is the word. Mad. Yeah. Millions of people in the street went mad. Yeah. If it's 25 basis points, Mr. Lu will become very, very rich. Yeah. Okay. Yes. I don't think it will. I don't think it will. I think what's important is not just the interest rate, but what he say after increasing interest rate. What he say always carry more weight. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I think these are important. I just want to set the stage. Okay. I want to set the stage for 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 the world economic recovery, uh, and stay calm, be optimistic, but really there's nothing for you to do. Okay, there's nothing for you to do, but I don't want you to panic, right? That if you see, hey, how come the stock market crash and continue to go down even though the inflation has come down and that kind of thing, it's okay, it's okay. Just maintain and hold it for a long time. You should be fine. All right, good. Okay, so with this, thanks for listening to my talk. I just want to send everybody at peace and calm. I think we're doing good. Okay. Uh, quick check. Do you think my hair is growing? I've been very, very conscious of my hair. It's like 要生不生这样的. Okay. The problem is that it's uneven right now. We just gossip, gossip. So, so some of the hair didn't drop off, so they're about 2 cm long now. Some of the hair broke off, so they are left with maybe about a few mm. So I have a very, very uneven hair right now. So, okay, I'm just waiting to see whether this $12,000 $12,000 is money well spent or not. Yeah. Okay. No. I'm not going to share. See some strands. Okay. Yes. All right. Good. Okay. So can see more hair. Okay. I'll still go competitive. All right. Cool. Okay. So with this, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to my talk. Okay. I will let's come back. I'll see whether I make tomorrow if there's any surprises. But I don't think there's any surprises. Okay. All right. Have a good. Is there a World Cup tonight? Have a good World Cup and enjoy yourself. I'll go on with my life here. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. Thank you, Jing. Yes. Thank you. So I will post up the slides in the description right after this talk. Okay. Give me about 10 minutes for the video upload. Then I can click and put in the link. Then after that, you can download the slides. Okay. Okay. Good night. Okay. Good night. Okay. Benjamin, good night to you. Oh, it's 10 o'clock already. JC, good night to you. Android, good night to you too. Sean, Patricia, Amy, good night to you. Henry, QI, SY, Lam Yi, is it? Master, Andre, Jason, good night to you all. Casey, good night to you too. Kimi, good night to you. Sean, good night. Andy, good night to you. Sean, you're always the fastest. So Andy also the fastest. Jing Jie, good night to you too. Mr. Lu, after joining a few sessions of sharing, seems like you as a big brother that the world live under your mercy. When they adjust interest rate, all be affected. Of course. US is the biggest market of the world. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good night. Okay. I'll off you right now. Okay. Thanks for watching.